मंच पर बैठे हुए नेतागण, भाइयों बहनों, कॉमरेड्स एंड फ्रेंड्स, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया तरफ से आप सब लोग को क्रांतिकारी लाल सलाम। Respected leaders on the dais, comrades and friends, my party, the Communist Party of India, joins all of you to declare our common resolve to save India, to save Constitution, to save democracy and to defeat BJP. देश बचाओ, बीजेपी हटाओ, संविधान बचाओ, बीजेपी हटाओ, democracy बचाओ, बीजेपी हटाओ. This is our common resolve. We declare it and we demonstrate our collective strength. Mr. Modi, you cannot take India for granted, the people of India for granted. I take this opportunity to condemn the arrest of Mr. Kejriwal, the Chief Minister, the elected Chief Minister of the elected government in Delhi, which is the national capital of India. Not only Mr. Kejriwal, several other leaders have been arrested. In Jharkhand, former Chief Minister Hemant Soren and several other leaders have been arrested. The government, union government, is using ED, income tax authorities and all central agencies to target the opposition parties, to strangulate the opposition parties, intimidate the opposition parties. Mr. Modi, this cannot succeed. Today, I recollect what Dr. Ambedkar said. Dr. Ambedkar, the prime architect of Indian Constitution, he said everyone should follow the constitutional method. Everyone should uphold the constitutional morality. Mr. Modi, are you following the constitutional method? Mr. Modi, are you upholding the constitutional morality? This is what people are asking. Friends, comrades, you should understand the country is facing a calamity, a big calamity, and we have to save our country. Constitution is sought to be replaced. Our Constitution defines India as a secular democratic republic. Our Constitution talks about equality, liberty and fraternity. Our Constitution talks about justice, social, political, economic. Now, Mr. Modi, the BJP, RSS, they try to replace our Constitution. Can we allow this? I am asking all of you. Can we allow this? Our Constitution can be replaced by obscurantist, medieval, illiberal, divisive, communal, fascist agenda by BJP, RSS combined. So, friends and comrades, we will have to save our Constitution. Otherwise, Modi will replace democratic republic as a theocratic country. India will become a theocratic nation. Indian state will become a theocratic state. What remains? Where is democracy? Democracy is already in peril. This has to be stopped. How to stop this? We who are gathering here, we should demonstrate our strength in the forthcoming elections. We must see that BJP is removed thrown out of power, then only India will be saved, nation will be saved, constitution will be saved. This should be the common resolve. Friends and comrades, we are confronting a grave threat, and we will have to save our nation, save our people from this calamity and grave threat. And forthcoming elections, 2024 parliament elections, are very critical for the country, very critical for the future of India. If India is to remain a democratic republic, if India is to progress maintaining secularism, federalism, BJP has to be thrown out of power. Now, what is happening? Mr. Modi and his regime are grabbing all rights and powers of state governments. Delhi doesn't have statehood. Puducherry doesn't have statehood. Modi government is taking away all powers and rights. How to maintain federalism? How to safeguard secularism? So, friends and comrades, elections are an opportunity. Let us use this opportunity to defeat BJP, throw out Mr. Modi and BJP from power. Thank you very much.